This is what can easily happen when you strip flex cable sheathing off with a knife. It can easily go through into the insulation on the inner cores there. As you can see, it's exposing the copper on the earth and the live wire. And it's dead easily done by applying too much pressure with a knife. I'll just show you quickly the error that how it's done. So people score around the sheathing like this, all the way around it, guessing the pressure, yeah, because you can't be 100% sure. You're just feeling, have you gone too deep? I need to go a little bit more, and you're just risking going into the inner cores. So pull that off. It's like there, not too bad, but I can see there it looks fine when it's straight, but when you bend the cores over, you can see it's nicked the brown. It's so easily done. A lot of people won't even check. So it's not acceptable, that. The other tool that people use, I'll take this end off and show you quickly, side cutters. You see people just nibbling around the outer sheaths like this, and then that's compressing the inner cores, which isn't a good thing. Risking damaging the insulation again, and then they'll nibble around it like this, or maybe even grab it like this, risking crushing the inner core, pulling the sheathing off. It just makes a mess. Not too bad, but you can see it's slightly damaged the blue wire. It's just too risky in my opinion. So the best tool to use for the cleanest, neatest job on removing sheath off a flex is this tool here, this round stripper. And how it works, that focus, how it works is you've got that little blade inside there which can be adjusted in depth through this wheel. You turn this wheel to go deeper or shallower on your cut, and then you push this spring-loaded lever up here, put your cable inside like that, and you just hold your cable and run your tool around it and then remove it, and that's put a score on it. But if you haven't used it on this whatever size cable you're using, run a trial round it to see how deep you've gone, if you need to go any deeper or not. So if we just force it open here, the flex, you see we've gone into the sheathing just about right. It's not gone all the way through. So if you just go like that, put a bit of pressure on the sheath, then slide it off, and it leaves a nice clean cut, and it's not touched any of the inner cores or damaged any of the insulation on them. So that's this tool here, this round stripping tool. And there's another way you can use this if you want to. That's fine if you're just making a small end off, but if you want to strip maybe a foot, say, off a piece of flex, what you can do, you turn this handle here and it turns the positioning of the blade, so you can then strip it down lengthways. So you put it on, hold your thumb on there, so the blade's now lengthways, and you pull it through, the cable through like that. Okay, and it puts a score all the way down, whatever length you need to strip off. It all depends on the application. Yeah, see that? Again, zero damage to the inner cores. Just make sure you have a practice with it, adjusting the depth. Yeah. And then you make sure it's right for when you do it for the real making off of your cable. So that's it. That's a little video on how to strip the sheathing off a flex cable correctly. Any questions, stick them in the comments and I'll answer them. Thank you.